Scott and 60. Time for Scott and 60. Scott and 60 sponsored by Dave Long, your realtor for commercial, residential, or industrial properties. Call Dave Long at 410-5664. That's 410-5664. All right, here we go. We have two choices. We have snail.
Yeah.
And we have camel. You're going to have camel.
Okay, thanks, Lewis. Way to take a command decision right there. Because I didn't want to. How do you choose? It's almost impossible between a snail and a camel. Apparently, we've hit rock bottom in the mascot division here. But then again, so is Facebook. All right. I get 15 seconds to read this, and I get 1 minute to talk about whatever the thing is. What would you do on Mars for fun? First of all, I'd like to have a heap and help and whatever the person took before they came up with this question. Because somebody was really high when they came up. Now, first of all, you got to take gravity into consideration. Tennis isn't going to be a great time on the Mars. Wait a minute. Lewis, do we still have the lunar lane? We got there's like a car on there, right?
Correct.
Okay, well, I'll drive that around because it just doesn't seem like there's a whole lot of entertainment options, and this doesn't tell me. Am I allowed to take whatever I need to Mars with me? Because you got to take climate into consideration. Am I going to be able to build some type of a dome and have artificial gravity underneath it, in which case we could do almost anything? But it doesn't mention that. So I'm assuming I got to go with gravity and temperature as is. So I'm going to say maybe we get two of those rover situations, and maybe Brad Ward flies out to Mars with me, and we'll race them. Until one of them gets broken or something like that. There's that. Maybe some skeet shooting, because I kind of suck at skeet shooting, but with no gravity, maybe they float in place long enough for me to draw a bead on them. So it's going to be mostly shooting crap out of the sky and driving at cars inappropriate speeds, which is kind of what I would do anyway. I don't know what happened. Here's the thing.